Welcome to the video, guys. Today we are putting on power fold mirrors onto my ST2. As you can see, these mirrors don't fold, so we'll fix that today. What you need for this install, guys, is you need a pair of power mirrors off an ST3, power mirror switch if you want to control it from inside the car rather than just lock and unlock, and mine didn't come with the indicators, so I'm sticking my old dynamic indicators off my 125 on. You'll also need a laptop with ForScan on it and this ForScan adapter. I'll link everything in the description as usual. No fold. Easy way to check if your car is compatible with power fold mirrors. I'm pretty sure all STs are compatible, but if you've got a normal Fiesta, you're wanting, if you've got this style of fuse box in the glove box, and you've got these two relays here, you should be there, and you need the 8 cable connector on the loom and the door loom. And if you've got a pre-facelift car, you'll need pre-facelift power mirrors, and if you've got a facelift, you'll need facelift power mirrors. So if you've got an ST, don't go buying a 2012 power mirror set because it'll no fit. You need to get a facelift power mirror set. Right, boys and girls, me and Mabel are going to take this door card off, trim tool round here, there's a torch pit up there, and the wee reflector just out of frame has a bolt in it, then door card just pulls right off. Right, here we go. 10mm, 2 torch bits in there behind the handle. There's your tiny wee screw cap in the door handle. So these 2 torch bits are T25, that's a T20 and that's a 10mm. So yeah, I think we should just pull off, I believe. So you get your connectors in there, so just unplug them and just set that over there. I believe these here are the mirror plugs, so unplug that. Yes, I believe that's the plug for the mirror. Now we'll take this grommet out, get the mirror off, and that'll be it. And there's your bolt for the mirror. Oh, it's a 14mm. And just pull that through it. And there you've got one mirror. Easy peasy. Right, I'm going to put my indicator on. And you just, to get this cover off, there's wee clips. And you just get in behind the glass with a trim tool, it pops right out. Stick this back on, slides in again, make sure it's clipped in all the way around, and that's us, guys. Nice gap all the way around, good to go. Also got puddle lights in there, lovely. Mirror's going back on, I've got cable ties on the wiring to try and feed it through. And click it in. Woo! I've got it wedged now, so put the bolt on here, get the grommet back in, door card back on, switches in. Door card's back on, time to get the reflector, wee trim screw and handle back on. Well, the new handle I should say. That's the old one. Time to get the new handle on with the power mirror button. So I'll slip that in. This door is done. Other side, I'll put you on time lapse for that, then we'll code them in. Right, now that everything's fitted, I'm going to make sure the indicators and the windy switches and that are working and the mirrors moving about, and then we'll code in the folding bit and the puddle lights. So, let's go and check it out. Let's check it out. Does this move? Yes it does. We get full range of movement. Yes we do. The windies, do they work? Oh, don't tell me. As you have seen, there's a wee bit of swearing. It's because the windies weren't going down. Now, I've made a bit of a cock up. So, currently, I was running my wire down and then through here, and it was hitting the window. But you've actually to go this way. There's a tiny little channel there that I've just got my flathead through like that. Now, Cara, if you turn the ignition on here, and we shall try it again. And we're full all the way and all the way back up again. So there you go, that's totally my fault. I went too gung-ho straight down when you actually go through a wee channel. So there you go. Right, put this all back together and then we'll try that again with the testing the buttons and that. Right, windies are still working. Sorry, mirrors are still working. And windows are going up and down. Okay, windows are going up and down fine. Mirrors are moving. Indicators are working. Let's code in the folding. That's what we're all here for, isn't it? So let's do it. So get your adapter plugged in. Right, everybody, go ahead and open ForScan there, and then you'll get a few wee messages. You know, just click through all these, and then you'll want to go to down here, connect to vehicle, or a few more wee messages. Yes, and then it'll read all your modules. And I'm going to pick my ST there, that's my old 125, so yes. And once this goes reading vehicle info to ready, then we can click it. There we go, that's it ready. Okay, now we can head down to this wee microchip here. And then you'll want to go to central configuration main, just the same as cruise control if you've ever done that. Then run service procedure down here on the wee play button. Okay, and we're in. So I'm going to go down, actually I'm going to go into engineering mode 1, that's it there, all editable. And I'm going to go down and we should have puddle lights, where are you? There we go, so you've got your rear view mirrors without retractable and then puddle lamp not configured. So we'll go ahead and do puddle lamps first. And I'll go puddle lamp, yes. Then I'll go down here to right and it's going to ask me to configure it, yes. Okay, turn the ignition on, don't start the engine. Might see a few wee weird things when ForScan's doing its coding, yeah, maybe dial sweep or wee audio pop or whatever, that's just normal. Okay, that's us programmed successfully, so okay, cycle it off and back on. Brilliant, and the same for mirrors. With retractable mirrors, I don't know what mirrors in memory mean, so we're just going to go with retractable mirrors. Then down to right, same again, make sure it's the correct changes. Yes, turn ignition on but don't start the engine. And that's us done, guys, so let's get them tested. Oh, there it goes, guys. Oh yes, oh yes. Let's try it on the switch. Oh, there she goes. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Haha! Let's see, shall we? Oh, yes. Oh, that looks fucking mean. Thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. This has been one of my dream upgrades for a long time now. It's like so German, isn't it? Like the tech they've got. I don't really like German stuff, but I love the folding mirrors and all the goodies they've got, you know, like just all the tech. It's just class. Anyway, it just looks amazing. So, thanks very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the day as much as I did, and I hope to see you next week for some more fun. See you then.